Nayanthara versus Dhanush. This was the talk of town few weeks ago because there was an important copyright issue between the both. Now again, the issue between Nayanthara and Dhanush has gained attention due to an important order passed by High Court of Chennai yesterday. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is the issue going on between Nayanthara and Dhanush, and also we will see what was the important order passed yesterday. We can't miss about discussing this issue because it talks about a copyright issue between a production company and the actors who acted in it. This is going to give us the clarity of who is the copyright owner in real. Myself Rohini, your intellectual property lawyer from Lee Intelligensia law firm. We will start this issue from a Netflix series titled Nayanthara Beyond the Fairy Tale. Many of you would have seen this trailer. Once this trailer was released, then the issues came up into a limelight. When the trailer was released, it was found that few scenes were used from the movie called Nanum Rowdythan. This movie, Nanum Rowdythan, was produced by Wonderbar Films. This production unit is owned by none other than the actor and producer Dhanush. Now, the Wonderbar Films have filed a petition before High Court of Madras stating that in the trailer, there is a 3 seconds video which was used from the movie Nanum Rowdythan, and for this, they were claiming a compensation of 10 crore rupees from the Netflix side. So now, the actor Nayanthara, along with her husband and joining hands with Netflix, they filed a counter case before the High Court asking for dismissal of the case which was filed by Dhanush. Now, this case which was filed by Netflix came for hearing before Abdul Quddus yesterday. Now, he had to hear the arguments from both the sides. Now, let's go into the argument from the Nayanthara side, which was argued by Advocate Parthasarathi from the side of Netflix. They were claiming 4 important points. The first point was the scenes which were used in the Netflix documentary were not included in the movie which was released. This was the first claim that they were stating, that the production company cannot claim the scenes which they have not released in the movie. Second point is an important point because they stated that the film was shooted in the year 2015 and the following scenes which was used in Netflix documentary was already available in public forum from the year 2020. So when already it is available in public forum and the documentary film was released in 2024. So when they are using the scenes which is already available in public forum, the production company cannot claim the rights on it. Hence, they have stated this case loses its right to file under a copyright law. Also, they have added in their third point that these scenes were shooted by a third person who was there during the shooting period and it was not shooted by the Wonderbar Films or their camera production team. And this was the third important point that they were claiming. Lastly, they have also claimed that this film was shooted in 2015 and now in 2024, after having so many years, they cannot claim copyright on those scenes. This was the argument proposed before them. The Netflix team has also claimed that on December 11, 2024, they received a legal notice from Wonderbar Films via physical notice or electronic mail, and they have claimed that this case which is filed after 9 years of time period cannot be accepted. So on all these following grounds, they stated that Dhanush petition to claim 10 crores should be dismissed. After hearing one side argument, now the judge started hearing the arguments from the Wonderbar Films. Now from the Wonderbar side, Advocate P.S. Raman has argued for them with the following 3 important points. The first point they were claiming was the scenes which was used in the trailer was from the movie Nanum Rowdythan, and whether it has been shooted by a third person or shooted by a production company, it was shot during the period of the film, so the scenes belongs to the production company. Initially, from the Dhanush side, the Wonderbar Films directly did not file a court case. They first requested the Netflix team to remove the 3 seconds video from the trailer and requested the team to release the video without the usage of the scenes from Nanum Rowdythan. But the team refused to do, and also what they did is they did not give a proper reply to the Dhanush. Instead, they took a public forum from the Nayanthara side, releasing a big letter tarnishing the image of actor Dhanush. Third most important point which was argued was the scenes which were used from Nanum Rowdythan was shot with the costumes and the jewelries which was offered by the production team, and during the shooting period only they have taken this video from a third party phone. Even though they have taken from a third party phone, it is clearly stated in the production company's agreement that whatever scenes or videos which were shot from the production side or anyone from the shooting place belongs to the production company. This has been clearly stated in the agreement. So the third point was really a notable point from the side of Wonderbar Films. The fourth additional point that they have claimed is about the jurisdiction. At the time when the Wonderbar Films produced Nanum Rowdythan, their address was located in Venus Colony, and since their address was located in Venus Colony, they have the right to file the case before Chennai High Court. And that's why they are claiming that our jurisdiction, though the company is not right now in Venus Colony, at the time of production, they were there in the Venus Colony, and the jurisdiction states that they can file the case before the High Court of Judicature. Claiming these 4 points, they stated that our petition should be accepted. After hearing from both the sides, the Honorable Judge Abdul Quddus gave his orders. He stated that the petition which was filed by Netflix to dismiss the case from the Wonderbar film cannot be accepted. He also stated the petition which was filed by Wonderbar film will be heard and the hearing will be posted on February 5th. Now this is a small win for Wonderbar Films. We also have to wait what happens to their petitions in our upcoming videos. Kindly subscribe to our channel to know the update of this case. We should also see the counter case which was filed by Netflix was only a reason to delay the case which was filed by Wonderbar, and there can be no other reason. But we have to see what will be the final orders from the Wonderbar Films. I would also like to listen what is your perspective on this case, whether Dhanush is right or Nayanthara is right. Put your opinion in the comment box. Myself Rohini, your intellectual property lawyer.